Can you hear me? Hey, how's everything? You have your microphone on? Hmm. Hello? I think there's a connection issue. Can you hear me? Trying to see if I is your mic on mute? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hi.
How's everything? How was your Thanksgiving?
Hi.
Hello? Were you able to get my I think you texted me somehow, right? I know I've been busy, but it's were you able to get your new computer? What is going on? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello? That's super weird. Why? Okay. Yeah. I think it is a mic setting. I think it is a mic setting. Let me try to increase your volume. Can you hear me? Here, let me get control. I can help you. Let me see. Refresh my control. There you go. Am I able to do this one? Let me see. Open sound settings. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
I think it's
Finally. Yeah, this is the.
Is this good enough? Yeah. That's the one thing I saw when I was like looking at it. I was like, okay, there must be some. She must have gotten a new computer. Okay. Also, you finally got your new laptop?
Yeah, you see, they brought the other one, the Essence, but it didn't have a video. I mean, the camera.
So you got the Lenovo
Yeah, Legend.
Legion, right? Oh man.
Yeah, the Legend. Yeah, so this is my first time to use it.
Does it have the lighting? Does it have the lighted keyboard?
I don't see them going like changing colors like the Asus was changing colors on the keyboard.
Yeah, that's the one I have. That's why the one that changes colors into like a rainbow color.
Yeah, it was so beautiful. This one I don't see changing color, so I'm kind of disappointed on that since I got spoiled seeing that.
Oh, so you didn't get the one with the changing colors.
No, it's not changing, but that's not what I was expecting.
It doesn't
Unless
matter
it's
as long as it's a Legion. As long as it's if it's a Legion, then So which one is which model number is that? DTX?
RTX.
LL. LTX.
No, are you talking about the one that says like Core i7 RTX?
Actually, I could probably look it up. I'll just look it up from your computer.
Okay, cool.
Oh wow, yeah, this looks good. What is this? This
Yeah, and then I couldn't get the 15-inch, so I had to take the 17-inch.
Okay, yeah, that one's fine. I mean, that doesn't matter. The screen doesn't. As long as it's Let me look at the file. I don't know why I can't click on this thing. For some reason, I can't even click on the. Can you click on the folder right here? I don't know why it's not allowing me to click. The File Explorer folder.
File Explorer folder. Let me see. First of all, how do I remove this thing? This chat thing?
Try click on continue. Or where are you at? Yeah, click on continue. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just the McAfee thing that comes with. This is actually pretty familiar. I have the My Warranty one, and then
yeah, because I wanted to ask you too, because I wanted to do by Defender, but then it told me that.
For this one, just click on like live save. This guy, the checkbox, and continue. Click on like McAfee live save.
No, the chat thing is blocking, so I can't see everything on McAfee.
Okay, try doing it now.
Yeah, it's okay. Let me see. Because I'm trying to X out of it.
Okay.
Can I move it? It doesn't move.
This thing is like, I don't know why it's stuck because I won't be. Are you able to click on the folder here? Like on any folder?
Any folder, like
yeah,
here?
the file. Yeah, can you click on that one? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Let's go to. For some reason, I'm not able to get control, which is weird. Here you go. Now I can get control. Now I have control. Okay. Let's look at this guy. Here you go. i10. Yeah, this is good. i7, 2.6 gigahertz. Oh, that's good. 16 gig RAM. Oh wow, yeah, that's good. 64 OS. Yeah, this is a good computer. Yeah, this is definitely faster than the one that you had. But and then this is Windows 10, which is like normal. Okay, that's good. Have you used it yet for analyzing anything?
No, this is the first time I'm using this machine now.
Okay, you just got it today?
No, I got it yesterday.
Oh, you got it yesterday. Okay.
Yeah, but then I didn't have time to set it up. So,
okay. Yeah, let's actually. I don't know if you tried to run any like coding in it. Oh yeah. Did you download Python yet on this one?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, because I think Python should be faster now.
Yeah.
You have to download the Anaconda when you actually install it. It might be faster.
Okay. How do I get rid of this chat thing that is stuck right here?
Just exit out. Just exit out. Click on the the Zoom group chat. Yeah, just exit.
It doesn't. It's not clickable.
Which one are you talking about?
This one that is stuck right here. It's like covering McAfee.
Which one is there? Just move it. Just move it. Yeah.
Okay. So McAfee. So McAfee. So I should just
click on cancel. Click on cancel. I don't know why. Can you click on cancel or no? Yeah, there you go. All right, that's better. Yeah, this is the same logo. Yeah. Okay. Let's you can actually change your settings if you look on to make it faster. If you click on this guy, the L, try click on the L right here.
This one right here.
Yeah, click on that one. Yeah. This is usually the no advantage. If you click on like network boost, this one like on the right here. Like if you look at like let's see, let's look at this guy. You have like Oh yeah, did you hear? Did you get this one? This is actually you actually click enable this, which is good
Okay.
because this one actually shows you that you have Dolby sound now. That's also another thing that's good about this computer
Mm-hmm.
because of the sound. And then like if you're gonna charge it, it's gonna be if the one bad thing about this computer is the size of the battery. I don't know if you got the one with the brick battery. It looks so huge. I don't know why. You know the battery
Mm-hmm.
charger? Yeah, it's for the Lenovo one.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty big, but like if you're gonna charge it like and you're in a rush, just click on this and then you should be able to rapidly charge your computer.
Or to click on this one, the rapid charge.
Yeah, just click on. Make sure this is green. You don't wanna enable this every time. And
Oh, okay.
let's see, what about this one?
So
Network.
that's just for the battery
Yeah.
when it is on. But then if I'm charging it, then I need to
If
turn it off.
yeah, you're gonna what you would like to do is you wanna turn it on before charging it. So like if you're gonna charge it and then you wanna use your computer, right? Like what? I think it doesn't affect it if it's obviously off. But if you're gonna charge it and you still want to use your computer, uh, for some reason there's a deadline, but you want it to charge fast, click on this. And then this network boosting is really good. For example, if you're surfing the net, I always have like this Dolby on as well as this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah, this is exactly like what I have. Let's just see. And I know it is SSD. That's good. You have 500 gig SSD. That's crazy. That's a really good number. Like the one I have, yeah, it's actually less than this one. But when you turn on and off your computer, isn't it like much faster?
Yes, it is.
Right? Like you don't have to wait like freaking 5 minutes just to like turn on or log in. It's like 10 seconds at the most. Okay. All right. Did you wanna like? I guess we didn't meet last week, so there's a bunch of stuff that you said you wanted to do, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
we have the homework for week 5, and then I send you the project.
Okay.
Then
Which one do you want
yes.
to do? What I'm thinking is I'm actually more maybe we should do it one by one, like maybe today and tomorrow. We can do one today and then do the next one tomorrow. And then
Okay.
what are these all do though?
Okay, the project, I think let's then do the project because my group,
Yeah.
the teacher here's what the teacher told us to do, that he wanted each one of us to do the work independently.
Yeah,
So
that makes
that
sense.
way, that way we understand how to do it.
Yeah, of course.
And
Yeah.
then we can share, then put everything together, but at least everybody will have gone through the process to understand it.
Okay.
Then we put together. So I cannot answer this call now.
Okay. Anyways.
That's my cousin calling from California.
Oh, from here? Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay.
She's a nurse. Okay, so my colleagues, I only did what I sent to you, but my colleagues already
They're already done?
They already did, so it was like me, I haven't contributed, but at least I already showed them what I've done
Okay,
so far.
good.
Yeah, so I'm gonna show you, so we can maybe just either finish or show you what they sent.
Okay, so you want to do the project first today, right? This is what you want
let's
to do?
do the project first because it is involving other people, and
Yeah,
because
it makes sense.
tomorrow, and then tomorrow
We'll do the homeworks, the individual one. Okay, can you show me what you have or what we have to do?
Yeah, so
I think this one shouldn't be that bad. You guys, if I remember, you guys are doing some health stuff, right? Health database.
we moved from there. The health thing that I had showed you, that one, now they said we can't do it because two of us were not comfortable with health things.
Okay, so what are you guys doing now?
Airline.
That's fine. Airline?
So now it's airline.
That's fine. Those are good too. There's a lot of info on that one. Yeah.
And stock price.
Oh, no, that's a pretty common one. Yeah. Stock prices are really good. Okay.
Yeah, and then
or like regressions.
Yeah, so we chose Now I don't even know. Why am I seeing this?
What is that one? Oh, that one is just for your why are you seeing that one?
How many screens do I have?
That's weird.
See, this machine is new, so, and this is the first time I'm using it.
Okay.
So everything is like, so which Zoom am I on? Am I on 2 Zooms?
I don't know, like try to
God.
don't click out of that one. Don't click out of it.
Okay, so I know what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this, put here.
Okay.
I'm gonna move with everything away from it.
Okay.
Let me see, do I need that one here? That one is not even necessary. So this one will go down.
Yeah, I would just probably you could actually X out that launch one. Yeah, since we're already in the Zoom, you could exit the launch, the previous. Yeah, you can exit out of that one. Yeah. Okay, now we're here, right?
Yeah, so now it's clear. So now I can see what I'm talking about.
Okay, all right. So what is this? Oh no, this is not the one. We're talking about something else. Okay.
Yeah, it's like there's another one. I don't know. This thing is. So let me. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you.
Okay. Oh, you guys are already doing machine learning. That's good. Decision trees, clustering. That's machine learning stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your class is moving pretty fast. Is this the only Python class that he's gonna talk about the whole thing, right, in this class?
Yeah, he told us he is the one that he is the one that chose to go with Python. The school wants him to go with everybody to go with R, but he chose not to.
Yeah, Python's way better. I mean, it's okay. It's always good to learn both of them, but we did the whole R thing already.
Yeah, but at least he gave us the chance to learn Python. So me, I'm cool with it.
Yeah, Python is so much easier and more versatile. Okay.
Okay, so let's see here. This. But now they're sending me a text saying they want to remove something from it. So here is how the project, that's the project
Okay.
that they have put together.
So do we just have to produce, what do we have to produce? Do we need to create a notebook or what are we doing?
Yeah, so we are supposed to create a notebook and
Okay.
so we do it in Excel and then so that we can use that in notebook.
Okay, we can do that. Okay. Let me look at so what's the data? And then we have to clean the data, right? And then visualize it afterwards.
Yeah.
Where's the data at?
There that is.
Is it multiple tables?
Yeah, it's oh, it didn't download here. Let me email it from this laptop.
Okay.
Because I have all of it here.
All right, let's see. Oh, you didn't download Anaconda yet, right? Okay, let's do that first. Let's see if it's actually not that. It shouldn't be that long because this is SSD. So let's click on that one.
Is it this one or this one?
It's that one, the first one.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. And then you go all the way down, if I remember. You have to go all the way down until you see like the download for Windows. There you go. 64-bit, the one that you have. Oh, they're on 3.8 now. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's that one. Yeah. Okay, that's good. You see how fast it is? It's already 10,
Mhm.
8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Okay, let's click on it. All right. Click on the Anaconda that you downloaded. Just click on the one on the bottom of it. I think right here.
Where is it?
Go back to the Edge, the Microsoft Edge, the Internet Explorer,
This one?
or whichever one you're using. Are you using Google Chrome?
I'm using Google.
Yeah, go click on Google instead. Yeah, click one of those browsers. Yeah, click on that. You see at the bottom of here, click on the Anaconda at the bottom, right there. Yeah, double click it. Yeah,
There you go.
yeah, that one. Yeah. All right, let's see. Something should pop up. Yeah, just click on next. Click on the. You have done through this before. It's pretty much the same thing.
Okay.
And this which one is this? Not recommended. Yeah, click on that one. Install. That's right. Yeah, install. Okay, let's see. If I remember, the other one took like what, 30 minutes to like an hour, right?
Yeah, that one really
It's
took a lot of
crazy.
time.
Let's see how long this takes. I think it shouldn't take that long.
Cool.
Let's see. Yeah, you always get stuck here if I remember. Let's see. Okay. Just take a look at this.
Okay.
Okay, 10 minutes hopefully. Okay. It's faster. There you go. Click next.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it wasn't even 10 minutes. It's only like 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one it goes very quick.
Yeah, no doubt.
This last, oh boy, that last time I waited forever.
It's done, right? Isn't it done?
Yeah,
And
that's
then
quick.
click on the you know how to start it, right? You have to like find this guy, Anaconda prompt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you remember this one, yeah. Yeah, I know. It's crazy how you would why would you want to go back, right? No, like seriously, I always tell people this that like because like it's pretty common. Even I mean, I started with hard drive instead of SSD, right? Solid state. And then like obviously, yeah, the whole i7 upgrade is also good, but it's because of the solid state that makes it really fast. And then like if you didn't know about solid state, like your whole life would suck because then you'll be doing everything super inefficiently, right? Then versus someone who has a solid state computer.
Mhm.
Okay, let's try this on. Do you remember how to start it? Did you put a notebook?
Okay, this one I don't know how to start, but the Jupyter I know what to do with it.
This one, right? Did you put a note?
Oh,
Do
that
you remember
was
this? Yeah, just this one. Yeah,
okay.
it should work. I think this is the one. There you go. And then now just click on Google Chrome. Yeah, and then okay, or yeah. There you go. Now you're in. And then do you remember how to get the Jupyter Notebook?
Yeah.
Just click on the next, right?
So what?
Okay. So like if you click on this guy right here, this new. If you click on a new and a notebook, Python 3, yeah, that one, yeah.
Python 3. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's the one, yeah. Okay, so what do we have to, where's the database, the Excel sheet or CSV, whatever it may be?
Okay, let me hear this. Bringing it over.
Because I don't know what we're trying to do yet for the project.
For the for the project.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we're gonna do some Python, but I don't know what we're gonna do yet.
Let me. I think I could get that.
Do you have the PowerPoint?
Yeah, because I thought I brought it over here, but it looks like I didn't bring it over here.
Yeah, try.
It's the PowerPoint is here. The one they sent is here.
Okay. But what do you have to do though for this one?
For this one.
Yeah, like what do you guys have to do with the airline database?
So the airline database was in the stock airlines database, you were supposed to see airline delays and stock prices. So pretty much if airline delays have any significant or have any relationship with the stock prices.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we chose 4 airlines.
Okay.
Delta, United, American Airlines, and Southwest Airline.
Yeah. So for those ones, do you have like database already found that you guys are using?
Yes, we had data set.
Yeah, where are they?
Okay, here. I thought they emailed the others because I was trying to email them to the new laptop.
Okay, so it's probably in your email. Just click on your email. We'll look for it.
Yeah, let me see here if that will work. I think there's something I did when I was setting up the mouse.
Okay, what happened to it?
I think something they were asking me if, and that is what I could have clicked, which I didn't mean to click. Like they were saying if something pair.
Something what?
Something to do with the pair. I don't know if the mouse works on both laptops or something.
To pair your mouse to your laptop? Yeah, you should do that, yeah.
Yeah, so how can I undo it? Because I think that's what's happening now. I'm having a problem.
Oh, with your mouse?
Problem getting into my my email from my old laptop.
How come? Isn't this your email?
Yeah, it's like it's asking or someone It looks like you have two devices.
It's fine. Yeah, it's because you're logging on say on two different laptops to the same account.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's fine. But then where's that email that you said that you had the database in?
Yeah, let me use the other one, because the one I used now I can't even get it. It's asking me so many security questions, like
Okay.
I did something wrong.
Nah, you didn't do anything wrong. Like it's usually a lot of stuff like that right there. They're just trying to prompt you like, oh, by the way, someone else logged in. It's kind of like a Facebook thing, you know?
Yeah, they send like 2 emails, and then when I'm trying to log in, it's still asking me, I don't know this, that, and I'm like, let me use my other email.
It's fine. Yeah, just click on. Is it on the same email right here? Is this the email that you're talking about? This right here?
No, I'm talking about my, okay, that's the project. That's where I got the project from. The one
What about the email where you have the database?
it's that one. This one here, the Gmail thing.
Yeah.
But now it can't let me open it the way to be able to see it.
I mean, you can't open it?
Yeah, I mean the Yahoo email, sorry.
Try click on that email. I don't see that email yet. Where is it?
The Yahoo email. I'm going now back to my old computer to resend it, see if it will show up there so you can.
Okay. Try sending it to yourself or somehow.
Okay.
Send it to yourself on like an email, on the same email, and then you should be able to download it on this one.
Okay.
That's what I usually do.
Okay. So let's see here. Now I'm being asked so many questions. Now even this one, they want to confirm my security if I'm a robot or not. Hey.
Yeah, they do that a lot. Facebook as well, which I don't like. It's normal though. I mean, it does get quite nerve-wracking, I know. It's like, of course it's you. Who else would it be?
Yeah, so now, okay, let me just answer them. They're annoying, kind of, but that's the only way I'll get in here. Wow. But I like my new machine because I can see it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, I know. I mean, the best thing about it is it's really fast, you know?
Yeah, the fastness, I really like the fastness, because this one, now it was going so slowly, like last night, I was trying to run some cells.
Yeah.
On your
old one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had to give up.
Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure. Like a lot of times it's like that. Like that's the reason why for me I'm a very impatient person. So I like to do things like super fast. and then to have like a hard drive is like just the worst thing in the world.
Yeah, it was like I went to sleep, I left it. When I came in the morning,
Still going.
it was still going, and then
yeah, I understand. I know the pain.
And then Bing sent me something, I don't know, to click on something.
Yeah.
Error message something, so they could run it to solve the problems. I'm like, how did Bing get into this?
Yeah. Oh well, let's try to. So did you send it to yourself?
I'm still dealing with these security questions. This is what I'm going through right now.
What is the security asking?
Security is saying
I can't really help because I can't see it. Unless you go on the other one, like you zoom in and then click on it, then I'll be able to see it.
Okay.
Yeah, try logging in. I don't know if you have another Zoom account. Or you could actually Zoom and join in.
I have another Zoom account.
You can actually like click on the same link in the same in another, you know what I mean? Like click on that link I sent you and see if it works. Not on here, the old computer.
The old computer?
Yeah, because we're already in here. Yeah, we already have, that's why we're talking, that's why we're here. But then the other one, just click on the same link on your old computer.
Your Google account was just signed into from a new Windows device. You are getting this message to make sure it was you. Check activity. I've been asked this question a million times. You have
Yeah.
already replied to that. You recognize this activity. Okay, so then why don't you let me in?
Click on it first, see what, if you probably have to log off of this guy, the one that you have. Just try to zoom in, and then I'll be able to help you. Try to click on the Zoom link, not here, on the other one.
On the old one?
Yeah. See if I can help that way, because I'll be able to see what you're looking at.
So here is your Zoom.
Were you able to click on it?
Okay, so this one now, it's you say the link is here.
Yeah.
But when I open the link, it doesn't show the link.
It doesn't show the link?
Yeah, it just shows the date you send it and then your name, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
The link itself is not showing. It is the weirdest thing.
On the email? On the email?
Yeah, because right here, you say, here is our Zoom link for Wednesday.
Oh no, don't click on that one. Yeah, I know. Go click on the homework 6 one. Homework 6. Yeah, the recent one.
Okay, so do the homework 6.
Yeah.
Okay, so homework 6, I click and
Okay, click on the homework 6.
and then click on this.
Were you able to find it?
Okay, so click launching, open Zoom meeting. Okay, join meeting. Okay, and then join the video.
Yeah. Go ahead. Did you click on it? Okay, I think you should be able to, yeah. Nothing's popping up. Okay, now I found it.
You found
Okay.
it?
Yeah. So now we're in both of them. Are you able to see me on the other one? There's 3 people now. So oh, you're still joining. Oh yeah, I forgot it's taking a while. It's still showing you're joining.
Yes, connecting.
Okay, that's good. Okay, once this happens, we'll share your screen. Okay, try share your screen on that one instead. And then I'll see what's going on.
Okay, you cannot start screen share while the other participant is sharing.
Oh yeah, try to unshare this one, from the new computer.
Okay.
Okay, click on it or unshare it. Here, I just stopped it. Go back to the old computer.
And then hit OK.
Yeah, and then like share your screen. Yeah. Yeah. Try it. Okay, now I see it. Okay, good. Let me see what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is still slow, huh? It's like it's still lagging. Screen sharing is lagging. Now you see it. Okay. All right. Let's try and look at the what was the stuff that you were talking about?
Okay, let's see. It's really slow.
Hmm.
Is it opening there too?
No, I only see your screen right now. Okay, you said you have the spreadsheet here? Okay, where are they?
Okay, let me show you. So this one for the end.
Okay, that's the one. Okay, that's try put that in the email and send it to yourself.
Okay.
Is that the only one?
No, there's some more.
Okay, so we'll send this one first.
Okay. You see now what I'm seeing here?
Yeah, you said your this wasn't you. Okay, I see what you're saying. So try to. I don't know why it does this. It's just really weird. Try to. Oh, this thing is going out. Run out of power.
I didn't know it was. Oh boy. I didn't know it came out.
Okay. Oh, your other one turned off. It turned off?
Yeah, it turned off. I just plug it in and then it turned off. I didn't know it came off.
Okay, it's all good.
Mm.
We'll do it again. So yeah, once we get the spreadsheet, we'll just the problem with the Google, the mail thing. What I would do, on this computer that you have right now, the new one, try log off of your Gmail, out of your Gmail.
Okay.
Yeah, just try log off. Yeah.
Okay, so Gmail. It shows here.
Okay.
Okay.
Did you log off?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're not in the email anymore, right? In the new computer?
No, so now I'm not in the email in any way, shape, or form.
Okay.
Oh, so what I do there mirrors here. So something is going on with this mouse. I don't want it to share
Let me
between
see.
the two.
What is it?
It's
What's happening?
like I have seen that what I was doing on the old machine,
Yeah,
it's mirroring on this new machine.
the same Gmail thing.
Yeah,
Okay, what I would do, let me think. That's
it
weird.
has to do with this mouse.
I don't think it's the mouse, because like, why would it be the mouse? The mouse is like not out of the network, you know. It's like on its own. Um, try
So
to
do
like
I have
try restarting your computer, the one that you have right now, the new one.
the new one?
Yeah, restart and then don't do anything, and then we'll go back to your old one once it turns off, and then log in there. Just
Log
restart
in.
your computer, your old computer, or your new computer. Okay. What is going going on? Hello? Can you hear me? All right. Try to unmute yourself again.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. All right. Can I see what you have?
So let me show you okay, that's the A1 thing. Then I need to sign into the school thing too. Right, let's see here. And I'm also, after you see the stuff, I'm gonna send you
Okay.
what my classmates are saying on text.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're talking about making adjustments. If we can make some adjustments on the stuff they already put together.
Okay.
So if you see something, then I can tell them to
Right.
also consider that.
Okay. Can you share your screen? I want to see the data set so we can send it.
Yeah. Yeah, transfer. Let me sign to the school page first. Do
All right.
here you go. And here's the data set I was talking about.
Okay, so for this one, try to like send this to your email.
Okay.
Were you able to open your email?
Mhm, yeah. This one is as well.
Okay. Okay, I think it worked then, right?
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
one.
I think it's just yeah. Like usually, if you turn on or off the other one, you can turn on the other one and just restart. Okay. And drag everything in here.
Okay.
Or like attach it. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. So we are going to.
Isn't it that one?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the original download.
Oh, okay.
Because I use my other email to send them out, and now that one I can't get in. They keep asking me so many questions,
Okay.
security questions. So it's just taking up my time. Because but even that after the hospital thing, we started doing in India. We downloaded stuff. Then we quit because we couldn't get enough information. Then we started another one. Then we quit. This is our fourth one because of lack of data set, enough data set.
Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah, so that's how we ended up with this one, the airline.
Yeah, usually it's like that. Sometimes you just have to look at it. If it's manageable, then then you change it.
Because even this one, we were trying to get like sentiment data set about customers.
Yeah.
Most of it we couldn't get a data set for it because the teacher said if we could add that, it would be really great to do something on sentiment analysis.
Okay. We'll try to finish this one.
Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, this is the one I was looking for.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, that's the mother document.
Okay.
And then I need to send you. Do you want the single airline data set?
Yeah, send me or send yourself all of the ones that we need.
Okay. Okay, so then I'm gonna go with stock price, yes, put it there, and then airline, and that's it. Okay, and then something else I wanted you to look at. Because I'm not sure I did it right the way they wanted it. So that will be under my documents.
So there's a Word document as well.
No, that's just the one where we wrote the proposal.
Okay.
Yeah, to give you a clear idea of how we have approached it.
Okay.
Okay, and then there's also something. Yeah, that one I can show you on the school email. But if I could get it here, where did I put it? Because I just copied the email and pasted it. Okay, that's businesses, okay. Yeah, that's from the email of what they were telling me to do to match what the way they have approached it. Okay.
Yeah.
What else do I need to show you? I think that's all I got.
Okay. Just yeah, we'll look at those.
Yeah.
That's already a lot of like worksheets. So that's
Yeah. Okay.
There's four. There's four, right? There's four at least. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So email myself.
Yep.
Here.
Yeah.
And then forward it.
And then just name it something that you can recognize it, and then log off. Yeah, and then log off, and then log in on your new computer.
Airline cancellations. and stock price. I'm gonna just say something that group project. Okay, then hit submit. All right.
Okay, and then like make sure you log off or sign out.
Sign out of
Yes.
the.
Yeah, sign out of this email so that it. And then what I would do is after you sign out, then turn off your computer.
Oh, okay. Sign out and turn off the computer.
Yeah. And actually, like, why don't you log in the other one first, like you know, in Zoom, so that in your other computer just go on Zoom.
Okay, so log off. Start the other one.
Yeah, like sign out of this, but then log in Zoom in the other one so that we can communicate.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
We need to communicate. That's like so. Okay.
Okay, cool. Now I don't know how to move this thing because it's blocking me from logging off. I don't know how to do it without.
What are you talking about?
The video. I want to move it somewhere so I can log off because
Yeah,
it's blocked. It's
just
locking me.
minimize it.
Minimize it.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, there you go. That was really smart. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now turn this one on.
Yeah, turn the other one on and then like log in Zoom.
Okay, so this is 218. Oh, so who is covering me? Is it November or is it covering me? I'm really confused now. This is it is McAfee or C Zoom. Oh, is this Zoom working?
Yeah.
Oh, this other Zoom is on, the other one.
Yeah, like I said, turn on Zoom on the other one.
Okay, so let me turn it on first. Okay, once. Okay, here.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, so let me log off.
Yeah, and then log out or like turn off your computer on the other one.
Okay, so now I'm shutting this one down.
Yeah, you don't need this anymore. Okay, cool.
Just need to go.
All right. Okay, so all right, so try to log in or share your screen and log in the email, and let's retrieve the files. Okay. See, I think you should be good. Oh yeah, try to unmute yourself. I can't hear you.
I hear you fairly.
Okay, all right.
Sorry, that's not fair. I didn't realize I didn't.
Yeah, usually it's always every time we do this, like so it's it always mutes the person. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Oh, finally I can open my email. Okay, so here is it is the stuff. So I'm gonna download them. But what is this other? Just
Okay, just exit out of that. You don't need that one.
okay, just quit it. Okay. So why did it open like that just without downloading it itself?
Usually it previews it. You should download it.
Okay, let me.
Sometimes it previews it. That's why.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go, but that's cloud. I don't want to take it, do it through cloud. I just want to do it.
Okay. Click on the you know how it says download all? Click on download all. On the left right there. Download all. At the bottom.
Oh,
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah. Click on that one, yeah.
Yeah.
And that should be everything. All right. There's the folder at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. So this folder just yeah, you should have everything in there.
This is the thing to have. This is the best thing that has happened.
Okay.
Because we've been struggling with everything.
Yeah. And then like just transfer this wherever your desktop folder. Maybe like create a folder in your desktop.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
So how do I transfer them to the desktop?
You have to just create a folder here first. Like create a new folder in the desktop.
Okay.
Do you know how to do that? Click on the folder up on the left. You see the folder on the left? Top there. Yeah. And then just put in like whatever, for your class or whatever project this may be.
Okay. Airline group project.
Okay. And then like go back to that one where you had all the files. Just go click on the back button or downloads, whatever.
This one right here.
Yeah. And then copy all of this. So like highlight and copy all of them. Yeah, there you go. So copy. And then like, yeah, copy. And then go back to the desktop. Click on the folder that you created. And then, yeah, on this one, just click on this one.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, make sure you're inside, yeah. Yeah, you have to click on it.
Yeah, I click, okay.
No, make sure you're inside the folder. Like you have to double click the folder.
Oh, the actual folder itself.
Yeah, and then paste it here. Paste those files here.
Right here?
No, like inside this folder right now, just paste your files. Do you know how to do that?
Like this?
No, you just right click. I would probably right click on the white space. You know where it says this folder is empty? Click on the white space. No, not right there. In the actual like white space, yeah, right there, yeah. And then paste. Yeah, you've done this before, right? Like transferring files, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so like for what we're gonna do, it's not really. I don't know what I'm supposed to like do because this is your project. What do you want to do?
All right. So what I'm trying to do is to make sure that what I have done matches what is showing in the group project. And then they wanted me to help with doing forecasting.
Okay.
And adding something, or maybe if I want to do one slide, they don't mind.
Okay.
So So to understand what they are looking for, I don't know if you want to use the PowerPoint they have already brought, or if you want, or if you will get what they are talking about just in the proposal.
Just click on the proposal. I think we're good.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, this is what the one in red. Yeah, we can do those. Those aren't that bad. So
yeah.
analytics for computer viz in order to test our each of the following will be discussed in succinct slides. Okay. And then where's the slides?
So the slides.
Is there even slides or is it just this?
Yeah, the slides are here. What is this?
You don't need this. Just minimize it. Just minimize this one. Okay. And then like, okay, so where's the slides? We can just create these ones, right? You just want to create a scatter plot out of all the ones that you have. I mean, that's like pretty simple. And a heat map, yeah, we can do that one.
Yeah, actually what we didn't have was, we didn't have something for logistics and this one in the multilinear.
Okay, so the regression one, we could also do those.
Okay.
Like the multilinear and then the logistic, yeah. It's just another package. As long as you have the data, you can create it.
Okay.
All right, so let's create the scatter plot first, right? I mean, so like what she should do is create a notebook. Go back to the notebook.
Okay.
And then I think, so you have airline. I want to look at let's go back to the notebook and then let's get the data inside Python first.
Yeah, my Python stuff is not here.
Yeah, just click on this guy. This is all you need. And then save this as your project, whatever name it may be.
Okay.
So your teammates already finished all of these 4 things?
So the team has done the scatter plot is there.
Okay.
But the logistic and multilinear regression is not there.
Okay, what do they want you to do? I guess that's the question.
So they want me to add like a logistic regression model.
And then the multilinear. They want you to do those?
Yes, and then maybe help with some forecasting as well.
Oh well, so they pretty much gave you the harder parts. Okay. They should have
In
done.
that hardest part, it's been like the day we met the professor.
Mm-hmm.
They told the professor they are not sure, because when we ran the thing, they said when they showed the slides,
Yeah.
it was like, it turned out that the airline delays was correlating more with the stock volume.
Yeah.
But had a weak relationship with the stock price.
I see.
Yet our project is about the relationship between the airlines and the stock price.
Okay. So for the multilinear regression, what I probably would do is for this one, try to like do the dependence first. So like the pandas. So like import pandas, right? Do you remember that one?
Mm-hmm.
Import pandas as PD. Yeah. Okay. And then you're also going to be needing the regression. So like I know you sent me something. Maybe we'll just follow what those are saying. So let me look at homework 6. Because you guys covered this in homework 6, right?
Yeah, this is yeah, part of this is gonna be in homework 6, yes.
Forecasting, obviously,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
logistic,
Mm-hmm.
regression. Can you send me the other one? There's a part 1, I think, in this one. There's a part 1, isn't it?
The which one do you want me to resign?
Can you send me the lecture 10, I believe? Because this lecture 11 says logistic regression. And what do you have the multilinear regression PowerPoint?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, send me those ones so that I can guide you through like how you would do it.
Okay.
Because that's what we're going to be doing, right? We're going to be doing the regressions pretty much, logistic and multilinear. Yeah.
Okay.
So for this one, let's see. Computer accuracy. Okay, that's confusion matrix, ROC. Okay, that's good. Okay, did you go to your email?
Yeah, I'm going to signing into my email now. And then I can just shoot it.
I'm trying to understand, like, so he just wants you to do like a regression, right? You might as well just follow, because a lot of times, as long as you have the right data, so we have to combine your stock prices and airline data. We're gonna merge those first.
Yes, that is actually is a step. I should have sent you the, yeah, that is to merge the files.
Yeah. Okay, so do you remember how to import the files using pandas? So like you have the files already, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's in your desktop, and then we want to import them into Python so that we can look at what we have and merge it. You remember doing that?
Okay, that's gonna be NumPy.
No, you're gonna be using pandas.
Pandas, okay.
Yeah.
Import. Okay.
So for pandas, you have to do like you have to bring them in. So like you have to do pd. If you refer back to homework, was it 4? Try to go back to your homework 4, homework 4 or 3. If you open those, you'll probably see what I mean.
Okay, cool. Because I started working on it, I just don't know if I was.
Yeah, it's usually a lot of experimentation.
Okay, let me.
And referring back to like what you've already done.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know where it is?
Yeah, I'm looking for it.
Are you in your other computer? I don't see you looking for it here. That's why.
No, I'm on my other computer. Now, this one is not showing my files that I've created all along, like the ones we did with you, and then.
Yeah, but didn't you send that to your teacher, your professor? You sent it to him, right?
No, we don't send the file to him. You just copy the query and then send
Yeah.
to him.
Do you have that though? Like you copied it?
Yeah, in the old laptop, because this one here doesn't have the Jupyter on my new.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, it's not in here. So like just what I would probably do is because this is like a super basic. Just go to like probably Google it. That's the best thing I would do. Just go look for like pandas read data file because you're gonna be reading a CSV, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. what I would do is just go back to that the airline stock price project. Yeah, go back to that one. Yeah. I think it's a read CSV if I remember. Read CSV. Yeah, that's the one. And then so yeah, just type in pd.reads_CSV. You remember those ones, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I would probably type it on the next line because when you import it, you don't want to be importing every time. So like
Okay.
just import the pandas first, yeah, and then create another like code block. Okay. So try to run that first. Okay. And then on this next one, type in like pd.read and then _CSV. Okay, so this next part you need to put parentheses. This and then whatever parentheses first, and then whatever you're gonna put in here is gonna be where your file is. So try go back to that the folder in the desktop where you had the first CSV file. Yeah, this guy. And then maybe so which one do you want to import in? Like which ones are the main guys that we need to have and merge? Try
This.
click on the original one first. Let's just take a look what they are. Okay, so you have date, open, high, low. What are these? Are the stock prices, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I've seen this before actually. Yeah, I've seen this data set before. Okay, and then what about the airline? Try to look at the airline. You know, your teammates already did the scatter plot, right? You said.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Do you have their like I know they already went through this process, but do you have I guess the notebook? Do you have their notebook, or you guys can't share those?
We shared the PowerPoint and the codes.
Okay,
We
but
shared
you have to create
the
your own
codes.
notebook.
Yeah, you have to create your own notebooks, but we shared the codes.
So where's the codes?
Okay, let's see if the codes came.
Because I don't want to reinvent the wheel. We could just like, yeah, here you go.
Yeah, so this is.
Why don't we just copy? Let me see. These are all the codes.
Yeah, these are the codes.
Can you enlarge it? I want to see what it is. So let's see. So they did report error month from that, and then where's the scatter plot?
Mm.
Where's the scatter plot?
Uh,
Let me see. Primary. So they did print from stat model, def BIF. Okay, good. Okay. Logistic regression. They didn't do that one yet.
no, nobody was able to do it.
Okay, try to scroll up. We're gonna do that one. So just let's see, filter for del, remove error, port, month, year fields from delay. Let's see, keep airlines filter airline. It seems like they've already, so you have the airline here, which is good. And then you have keep airlines. This is, what about the stock one? Did they do the stock for this one as well?
Yeah, this one doesn't show, but they did the stock, which I think they assume mine was gonna look like theirs.
Yeah. So what I'm thinking is, did they put it together? Click on the airline. I want to see that data. It seems like this is not the complete set. That's why. So this is the stock right here.
Yeah.
So click on the airline spreadsheet. So where's the airline spreadsheet?
Yeah, this is not. Let me open the other one. Let's see.
Okay. Because then in order for us to combine them, we need to have something that they're in common, that they have in common.
Okay.
But if they don't have anything in common, it would be hard to combine them.
Yeah, that is very true. Okay,
Yeah, that's technically the way to look for something that has a relationship. Okay, click on it. Click on the airline. Does it have any dates at all? The airline.
Yeah, the airline has dates.
Okay, so it can match with this one right here. We have dates here. That's right.
Yeah, let me. Where is it not? I'm not seeing. When I open it, I don't see all the stuff.
What are you talking about?
Like, okay, so here's what I'm saying. This is. So this one.
Okay. Yeah, that's the airline. Okay. So this looks like a regression already. Someone already did a regression here.
Yeah.
So let's actually look at, but you have to do it in in Python. So try go to the left side at the bottom. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, there's the left arrow.
Okay, let me see.
Try go back to the bottom. Click on the left arrow at the bottom.
This
The left
one.
arrow. The left arrow. You see the yeah. Go all the way to the left. All the way. Keep on going. Yeah, keep on going. We need the original data outside. Okay. All right, click on consolidated. It seems like there's a data set right there already. Click on consolidated. Yeah. So you have all these airlines, right? And then enlarge it, like maximize the whole thing. And then so you have the airlines. And then so this is what we need. We need to do the consolidated. And let's see. Do they have dates?
Do they have what?
Like the date. It doesn't have a date on it. It only has like the Delta carrier and then delay.
Sorry.
There's like no way for you to put them together if you don't have the dates on the airlines.
Okay. Then let me see here. Let's go with this one.
Try click on just the airline stock price. Go back to the other guy, like to the folder.
Go back to the folder.
Yeah, go to the folder. I want to just see the airline stock price. The very first one.
This one right here.
Yeah. Did you ask them if they combined it? Oh, okay, there's the carrier. There, that makes sense. Here you go. So you have the carrier, which is the airline, and then you have the date, right? And with the stock price. So, and then you also have the stock price itself. Let me see. Let me actually explore this data just a little bit. I'm gonna request control just to look at it more.
Okay.
So you have this as the regular, and then you have this in the airline stock price. It looks like this whole thing just got dropped. So what is this other one? If you look at 2019, so it's just the airline and then the stock price. We could just work with this guy then. This is what we're working with. Airline stock prices, right?
Yeah.
So it's only one spreadsheet. We're not combining anything. It's just this one spreadsheet, right?
Yeah.
So all we have to do is upload this guy. Just this guy. So all you have to do is look for, try copy the this what I have right now. I'm gonna let you do it. So copy this guy.
Right here.
Yeah. And then go back to the Python. I probably do it side by side. You can do it whatever way.
Yeah, let me do side by side. It's better.
So we know
Yeah,
what's going on.
Looking back and missing stuff.
Just drag it to the right. Yeah, there you go. I think you're good. Okay, you see that pd.read CSV?
Mm-hmm.
Click on click inside the parentheses, and then okay, there you go. Paste it, yeah. But before you do that, before the C, put in an apostrophe. Put in an apostrophe. Okay, there you go. And then at the end, after group project, put in another slash, like a backslash, yeah. And then type in airline, the name of your Excel sheet, airline _ stock _ prices. Prices, yeah. And then close that with another apostrophe. And then try to run this one. Oh, there's an error. Okay, so let's see. I can't go in positive truncated escape. Let me do another way.
Okay.
So sometimes it doesn't work when you have to do it this way. Or maybe it's the other way. That way didn't work, so let's try it this way. What does it say this time? Found that found. It's weird. You don't read. I know you could. CSV. Okay, so with root folder. Oh, I think I know what you. Okay, so what you could do actually is you can just save this guy. Let's just save this, or let's move this somewhere. Where do you have this? So you have this here. Documents, downloads. There you go. We're gonna move this guy here. It's easier that way. And then when so that you can just do a relative. So you go to this guy, and then let's open it here. Instead of doing this whole thing, we're just gonna do a relative one. So that's gonna be like the double dot, that guy, and that's it. The name error PD is not defined because you didn't run this one. So run that. That's airline stock prices .csv. This is here. That's XLX. Oh, that's probably why. .xlx. It's not a CSV. The XLX. X. Oh, it is CSV.csv. Oh, it doesn't. It's in the same place. BD dot. Oh, sometimes this is a weird thing. So let's .csv. No file or directory. It's in the same folder. Oh, it's not reading it. It's the same folder. There you go. It wants that one. Okay, so at least we have this. So this is what we want, right?
Mm-hmm.
Line stock price. Yeah, let's just make it short. Stock price. Data frame. Just to visualize their stock price. Yeah. Okay. So, and then what we want to do is to do a multilinear first. So we'll do the multilinear. So this one, create mentor NVI. 1 So where's that PDF or the slides for the multilinear, the lecture 10, I think, that you guys have.
Okay, let me email it.
Okay. Just send it to my email, if anything, because I'll just look at it.
Okay.
Can you send it to me like did you find it?
Yeah, I'm loading it up.
Okay. This is important.
10, 2.
Just a regression. Okay. This one would be the dependencies. Okay, the next one. The multi-linear regression. Delay average by LM1, model for CT fields. I don't understand this CT fields thing. What is this?
There's the city field.
Yeah, what does this mean, CT field? I know delay average by airline.
They count like let's say weather count, like the number of flights delayed due to weather, or if it's like CT, if it's CT NAS, it's like number of flights delayed by national aviation or something,
Okay.
that kind of thing.
Let's look at the air. So we're at air stock, and then we actually have another. So that's what the other table is for, then, right? That's what the other. This guy right here.
Mm-hmm.
You had like this guy, the CT right here. This is that one, right?
Yeah, mm-hmm, yeah, carry CT, like that one is like when.
What does CT stand for?
CT count.
Count.
So,
oh, okay. Carrier count. Okay.
Yeah, which is, yeah, so like that one is when a flight delays because the flight that they were waiting for came late, so that's why they are late.
I see.
Because the aircraft that they were gonna use came late.
Let me see this one. So they had NAS.
And I think they're saying something here. I didn't join them because I thought we were gonna meet only tomorrow. I didn't know there was
That's
but
fine.
this is just a group chat. They were chatting,
Okay.
but I didn't want to chat because
So you had this is the airline right here. So that's good. So this is the airline, and then you got, okay, so this is good actually. What we want is to get not the consolidated one. We just want the, because I would probably edit this guy and just save it as oh, this is actually an Excel. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna, so the other one was airline, not stock prices, but data or flights. There you go. Then let's delete what we have here. Don't need these. So let's delete that. Oh. Oh, so it's doing that. I see. I see. That's fine. But you can. I want the original data. That's why. Close stock. Okay. Yeah, we can. All this. Did someone produce this at all? Like, so, it seems like someone produced this Excel table. There's a linear regression here. Yeah, this we could all do in pandas. Okay, so we'll just we'll delete all of this because we don't need all of this. Oh, okay. Let's not save it. So I guess that was connected. Let me look at this again. Okay, so I guess we'll just look at this guy and then delete up to this point. Okay, so consolidate is the one that you want. And then we only want the tab. One of the tabs. Relux. Okay, so that's how you do it. I remember now. So if you do airline EF and then we'll do PD. Did you send that to me by chance?
Yes, coming. Doing something else in it. There's also, after they've put the PowerPoint together,
Yeah.
they give me your email address because I don't have it on this email.
PIJ. There, just I'm gonna type it down.
Okay.
Okay. Well, let me see, everyone. Okay. Do you see my chat right now? That's my email. So just send it to that one.
Okay, cool. So I'll be doing.
Okay, and this one is gonna be the stock, and then the other one. Let me. Are you sending it? Are you sending it in your other computer?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm using my other computer to sign it.
Consolidated. Good. Okay. The other one is airline DF. Okay. Okay, that's good. We have it here now. And then we just have to delete. Just have to delete this part.
Sent.
Just have to delete up to this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or there, we will just delete the actual name. That's better. So we'll delete. Clean and merge. So airline, flight, airline DF. And let's see. I remember doing this VIF thing before. I do that. Linear regression. You remember doing the VIF? It's like the multicollinearity.
Yeah, and I did that thing multiple times. And
but now you have to do it in Python.
yeah, I did it like I was on
Oh, you did do it already. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, I tried to do it, but it was putting out a lot of errors.
Okay.
And I think if I open this here, my Python, where I was trying to do my stuff.
Checking for linearity. Okay, so let me see.
Let's see here. I think I
We probably have to do sklearn. Yeah, we're gonna have to do sklearn, right?
Yeah.
Sklearn, and then we'll do. Where's the VIF? It's actually really simple. It's not that hard. You just have to do sklearn. VIF.
Yeah, how do the VIF?
Variance inflation factor.
But my numbers that came out, they were off the roof.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my numbers were off the roof. They were like in.
We'll look at it. So there's when you do, when you do the with the future. So you did. For the one, you just have to correlate like some of the. Do you have to do a specific linear regression, or can you do any linear regression?
There wasn't a specific one. It was just
for the one that you guys need to do. Do you have to do a specific one?
We had like a what do you call it in the PowerPoint?
Yeah.
Karishma put what do you call it, box plot?
Yeah.
Yeah, she put a box plot in the PowerPoint.
For like the linear regression, like you have a lot of columns here, right?
Yeah.
And what I mean is there a particular feature you have, or like column you have to do a linear regression of? Or
yes.
What does it? What are you guys trying to do? Like, because you could do a linear regression of the of any of these columns. You can correlate them. Let me just delete some of these first, because we have to delete the first 4.
Okay.
Let me see. dot draw. So let's say df equals airline dot df dot drop columns equal. Let's say volume. Yeah, we can drop volume. What's the other one? Volume or date? No, not volume. Date open. Let me just open this guy. It'll be easier to see. If you so we want to drop date open and volume. Adjust close, just close. So that one is close. And then the other one is volume. I think that's it. Argument. Whoops. Okay, and then let's actually inspect what that is. Airline.df. Okay, so we're good. So we have airline.df and air stock prices. Whatever it's called, was it? Air stock price df.
Yes, then there is a little note I've also attached in the new email where they sent me an email and told me to also change a couple of things. So
yeah.
if you open the email, then once you are done, then
like what do you want to change?
They wanted to change. There's something they wanted to change. Let me open it up here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, to be sure.
Let's combine these first. So you already have this.
Yeah, it's been the project itself has been going a lot of remodeling. Almost every other day they come up with something, then we tweak it.
Okay.
It's been undergoing metamorphosis.
Yeah, I mean that is what it is sometimes. Like you just have to, because you want to improve your project.
Yes.
Airline
Here.
stock merge. Yeah.
Then
pd.merge and then pd.merge. Okay, let's look at this. pd.merge.
Okay, so here is what the email is saying. This is like the day before yesterday.
Okay, what is it saying?
Okay, so he's saying, Mary, for the consolidated tab, I just took all of the other tabs with the stock price data and put them together into one tab.
Yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
Then,
that's what we did.
Then she says, you need to create the airline column using carrier name from the flight delay dataset.
Okay.
And then she goes on to say, let me see, the primary key, like we had walked through over the weekend, is concatenation of the airline name and date fields with the date formatted with month and year.
Okay, I can do that, yeah.
Okay, and then she says, for the flight delay data, you need to create the date column by joining the month and year columns and then create the primary key field.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
We can probably do, this is not due yet. We'll probably do those like later on. Let's just do the regression first.
Yeah, cool.
Because that one, we have to probably do like the SQL because you're doing primary key.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do this one first. Okay, let me see if this one works. So, oh, not on L key, left on, that's the wrong one. Left on airline. Oh, it's a different name. Airline and carrier. Oh, it's two different names. So we actually have to change that one. Okay. All right, so airline DF or airline DF gives you, this is the airline, okay. The other one is stock prices change. We're gonna have to change the name. You change the name here. So rename. Rename. Let's see. PD.rename. And dictionary, what's it? Carrier. Carrier to airline. Airline. Rename get exponent columns. Okay, that's good. After you do that, let's check out air stock. And you only have to do it all in like the notebook, right? You don't have to output it in Excel. Or do you have to output it in Excel?
We did Excel too.
So you have to output everything on Excel? Is what I'm saying. Like after you edit it in like Python, you have to output it in Excel.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, he even told us, but I'm not gonna do Tableau now. That's something when I'm relaxed. You can just show me next week when we're done. Like I can just do something when I'm more relaxed. It's like they know Tableau and I don't know Tableau. So
okay.
yeah. So because I don't even know how Tableau looks like to begin with.
It's a software, so like what
Yeah.
we have. So what do you guys have to use that or?
Oh yeah, he told us to use that too, and they were using it, but they said they used it, but we've been talking more about Excel and Python, but he said we use it, and the girl yesterday told me she's already used it.
That's good. Okay, so you can use it. The thing is that we might as well just use Python because that's what you guys are doing.
Yeah, this Tableau thing it has to be
it's another software. So
yeah,
it's another way of like visualizing data. But you can do the same thing with Python, yeah.
Yeah, that's something that you can teach me just as like one single day that we are not doing any assignment.
Yeah. We can do that now. Once we're done with Python, because it's also another software that you might like. Another one, it's like R, so you might as well just learn it.
Yeah, okay. Because I think probably this professor talked about it. Then it might be that the future classes we might end up using it.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
you might as well use it then, yeah.
Yeah, because next semester we are doing, let me see. semester we are down for descriptive. Oh no, wait a minute, I take that back.
Let's see, merge.
Descriptive and analytics will be, it will be descriptive. Yeah, descriptive analytics.
Okay. Left on airline. Okay, let's see. I think this is an over. Still on. So left on. Nanta has no lead. Where is it saying that one? It's saying that on. We changed it already. We already changed the name. Is it? Or let me see. We've already changed the name. It should be the same. That's weird. Airline.df. Okay. This is airline, which is good. Unless it's not the same. How big is this thing? 272. The other one is air stock price DF. It's 276. Okay, that's not the same. So there's 272 and 276. So one of them got deleted. We have to figure out which one that is. Yeah, because the other one's 272, this one's 276. So let's see. How many rows is this consolidated one? So you went all the way. In my mind, you could just, in a way, the consolidated is the merge one. Maybe you could just use that one.
Okay.
I was gonna use this to figure. Yeah, maybe we'll just use that and then perform the regression on this guy.
Yeah, so you're gonna do it the way they say in the thing, the email.
This one, the consolidated, we'll just use that instead.
Okay.
Because then it's already in there.
Let me see if it matches this. So I'm not sure if that is the latest step, because this thing has been going through a lot of what metamorphosis a lot lately. Even tweaking this thing.
Yeah, the airline flights is the same. That I just changed it.
Okay.
It should be the same, yeah. So now we just, since they consolidated it, we just have to do the regression. So we'll just use the regression.
Okay.
So we'll cut it, and then so now let's do the multilinear one and find the VIF. Yeah, we have to do a multilinear and do the VIF. So let's see. So this one is the features would be get Y and XY. So D matrices. Did you send me that that PowerPoint?
The PowerPoint, we can actually download it from there, but I can send it over.
Yes, just send it to me because then I want to see what functions you guys are using.
Okay, cool.
So that we can correlate the same exact functions that we're doing.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because that's how everybody will be able to follow when it's time for presentation. Okay, so let's see here, PowerPoint.
Oh, you sent it to me, I think. The linear regression one, right?
Yeah, you're saying the one from the professor?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one I sent it. Just
okay. So I found it. Okay, so
yeah, I thought you were talking about the PowerPoint for the group for the.
No, not that one. I'm talking about for your class.
For class, okay, gotcha.
Okay, multilinear regression. Okay, so that's what you guys do. And data spelling. Then you're also doing. Here's the VIF. Yeah, here you go. You guys actually. Okay, so you guys did all of that. And then so let's see if we can finish the multilinear at least. So let's look at, so when you guys did, not the single one, but the multilinear. So they did X as X train. So we'll do that. So we'll do x equals x train equals y train equals xm dot add constant x. I guess that's not the one they want. So you have to do x equals so these are all your features, and then you have your the response, the explanatory variable. So let's actually take a look at the one that we have here.
Okay.
And then how does so you want to do a model for the count fields? Okay. And then the delay totals. And so are these the response? You want this to be the response?
Yeah.
Is that what they want?
Yeah.
So there's a correlation here with the close stock price versus the array flight. So this one's delay stock price.
Yeah, if you check the email I sent you to see the whole thing, because this was like page 2 of the whole thing.
Yeah, let me
Mm.
do this one. So this one is going to be, because we just have to match what they did here, right? But in the multilinear, in Python. Okay.
No, multilinear is not in there, is it?
There's a multilinear one right here.
Yeah, but I don't remember it worked. I don't know if it really worked.
Well, they did it here, multilinear regression. For each flight, they did it for each flight. Delta is the first one. The other one is AA, American Airlines, United, Southwest. Yeah?
Okay.
So let's do that one first. Let's do this one first for Delta. So for Delta, you had flights and delay. And this is, what's the output? So these are explanatory. What's the output? Oh, right here. So the close. So these are the X's. And this is the Y, the close. Yeah, that's what it is, right?
Yeah.
Let's just actually. Where's the close? Trying to understand this data. Where's the close here? This close table right here. This one?
Yeah, the column E.
Okay, so close versus all the delta for air flights, right? That's what they want, right? Flights and delay. I think that's the one. So your X is going to be, what's the labels for this? It's going to be your airline DF. Airline DF, it's going to be two things, but I need to know the exact name of it. It's going to be, but you actually have to, I don't think you have to, let me think. Because then it's separate for each flight, and then you have multiple flights here.
Yeah, I got 4 flights.
So do you have to group them or split them so that it's only one flight? I would think so. You have to split the consolidate, so it's only for one flight.
Okay.
It's only for the DL. Yeah, that's what you have to do.
Okay.
Because then you don't want to account for everything, right? You only want to account for that one. So that's where you have to clean it up. So split data frame into multiple I don't know. Like I'm trying to figure out what the heck's happening. It's like that's what you have to do, right? Split data frame into multiple airlines. Because then that's what I'm seeing here. I don't know if that's the one that you guys want to do. So what we have to do is group them first. So you have airline.df. And then I just want to sort this so that's airline.df equal. So you want this airline.df to be equal df dl. Oh, there's a lot of nans in here. How come there's a lot of nans?
Yeah, it's like almost all of it.
All of them. What the hell happened?
That's kind of strange.
What in the world? What happened? It wasn't. It's not like that though. For see, it's not like that.
Yeah.
Why is that? Airline df equal dl. I don't think that's right.
No, it doesn't look right.
Why is that like that? What in the world? There's no. You guys already cleaned this one, right? There's no empty. Is that correct? What in the world? Let's try the other ones. AA.
See if there's anything that we might have tweaked on the piece of paper.
Do you see this right here? This one right here looks like it's correct. Which one? What is that?
Check the piece of paper because there are things that were tweaked just in case it wasn't included here that could be from there. This is all.
There's obviously numbers in here.
Yeah. It just can't be like everything missing like this.
The airline says NAN. How is that? What data type is? Because this right here, the airline. Oh, it's. I think. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I think I know what's going on. So, I forgot something. Airline. DL. And then this has to be a string. There you go. That's the one. So airline. So we're gonna split them now. So airline DL DF equals this guy. Okay. Then airline. What's the other one? AA. What's after that one? So I don't have to look.
United UA.
Okay, so airline. Let me finish this one first. So equals AA. Okay.
Then UA.
UA DF equals airline DF Sign is airline equals UA.
And WN.
WN?
Yeah, the Southwest.
Is there only 4?
Yeah, we only took 4 out of all those airlines.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, now this is starting to make sense. Okay, so this one is WN, and then that should be enough. And after that, you can just do what we did here, right? So let's look at the close. So X equals airline. We'll start with the for delta. We'll do that first. So we'll do airline. Wait, x. We'll do x of delta equals of airline dl. df equals, what was it? So for this one, for this air flights and del 15, this is del 15, or just delay, just this guy, air delay and air flights, right?
Yeah.
And air delay. And then the y of dl is going to be airline dl df of the close, right? I think it's not an index, air delay. It's not an index. It says it right there. ARR delay. Isn't that the one?
Let's see that.
Saying R delay is not an index. How's it not? Delays? Is it delays or delay? I think it's delays.
It delays.
Okay. It's not an index. Well, why is that? It says delay right here.
Carrier delay.
Why is that? Is that an I? Is it not the right letter?
Put that letter.
Huh?
That's what it is. That is correct. Arrival delay, and it's all correctly spelled.
That doesn't make sense. Yeah. But it's saying it's not right though. That's what it's saying. Let's go back to looking at the index. Was it columns? I think it's like columns. Columns. Whoops.
Or does it want you to use DAL? But that doesn't matter. Does it?
Let's see. Airline. It's supposed to be just the name of the column. Why is the index not callable? Name of columns for data frame. I have to do this one. We want to know the name of columns. It's supposed to be dot columns. There you go. That's not what I wanted. So flights, AR, flights, and then AR, delay. It says delay right here, right? Flights and delay. Oh, there's a space there. Why is there a space here?
Oh, it looks like this, like
there's a space. I don't know why.
Double space.
I don't know why they did this. That's the way that someone created it. That's why.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's a double space.
Sometimes it does that. Okay, that's fine. And then so let's go back. So now you have that. You're gonna split the data. X test, Y train. Oh, you have to do the dependency first. Let's look at the dependency. So I should go back to the top here. Just copy what they have. Oh, I forgot you can't do that. Okay. Do you have the? You probably don't have. We'll just have to type it. Import pandas as PD. Then import matplotlib.py/plt. Variance, okay. Inflation. This is the one that you use, right?
Mm-hmm.
The variance inflation factor. And as SNS, okay, import from scalar model. Selection, import, train, test, split. And from sklearn model, import, this is the main one, regression. From sklearn metrics. Matplotlib inline from C, import D matrices. Okay, let's start with this one. Number 5. Probably don't need this guy. That's an API. That's an API. You don't need that one. See if it works. Okay, it works. That's good. So now let's move on. So now you have all your guys in there. And then so y train y test equals train test split x y test size equals 0.3 and state equals 0. Is not defined. X is not defined. Oh yeah, because it's actually xdl. So for all of this, to make it dl train, dl test, not text test, dl. DL and then DL. That worked. Now you gotta do the regression. Regression, so linear regression. Regression, regressor, fit, X train. You know your professor's really good at these PowerPoints. I actually like how he does these.
Mm.
He gives you guys a concept and he gives you the code, you know? do you mind sending me like the rest of his PowerPoints? These lectures, they're really good at that.
Yeah, they're really good. Even us, we really like them because they're things that you can use for reference in case you kind of like.
Yeah. No, like, it's like a good summary. He has like the concepts in there,
Mm-hmm.
and then he adds the Python code, which is like what you're going to be using, and then you can just refer back to it if you forget, you know.
Right. That's
But it's good. It's, if you can send me those, that'll be good because like I like
yeah.
looking at, because like when you're trying to teach these, it's always
Mm-hmm.
good to have like a summary so that like, because some people they only know like, you know, some parts, and then
Yes.
they want to know the theory, then there's the theory, because like sometimes it's missing the theory, and that's kind of not good.
Yeah. And that can make it difficult, like for some to not understand. Like I need both to be
Yeah.
able to grasp it, because that's how my learning curve is.
Yeah. Let's try running this. I think. Let me see if this actually works. Xtrain is not. Oh yeah, I forgot it's DL. DL. So this thing right here, you have to do this for every airline, pretty much. It's so you got something there. That's the intercept.
20.
So that's good.
So the 20 is good.
Yeah, that's good. That should match with whatever your friend did in here. With the let's see, this guy right here.
Oh, okay.
Where's the intercept? See, like you see this intercept?
Mm-hmm.
It's really close to this guy. It won't be exactly the same.
Oh, okay, but it will be close. Okay,
Yeah,
got you.
this is a standard error, but yeah, that should be close. And then let's see. Graph and actual predicted. Oh, the actual and predicted values. Yeah, you could do that. Stat models. Okay. Then model equation. Oh, so that's what he did. Okay. So yeah, I guess we'll just do exact, because like if you know, this is what he's gonna be looking for, you know. So let's just do the graph actual and predicted values, and then the output of the regression model.
Okay.
Spread out 1. We don't actually need this one. Let's see. So let's look at. Just name it DL. Why is spread out equals spread out? Doesn't it look plot kind equals well spread out? I do 20 of these. It's not defined, so we don't actually. For now, do you guys need to graph anything, or do you just need the table? I think you just need the table, right? This table right here.
Yeah, and a little graph too.
This guy, you just need the tables right here, right?
Yeah, and a little graph.
Which graph?
But that is when it is combined, that right?
This one right here?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if you do the residual, this is another one. You did this in R. You could also do normal. These won't really give you anything. Let me see.
Oh, okay. Got you.
So you do delay line fit, because he doesn't talk. We can take a look at how you would do this, but this is not exactly the same as what he did in Python. Like,
Okay.
if you look at this is a scatter plot, and then we can probably just graph this using matplotlib. We'll figure out how we can do this. This one doesn't really give you anything. The residual one, do they require you to do a residual plot? Or you just have to compare? Because like this residual, yeah, I mean it's another way of quantifying it. But let's do the table first, the actual table of values, and then VIF, which you need. Okay, so let's do the table. So let's see, model. Okay, so first of all, use SM here. What is this SM?
SM.
Yeah, it's an API actually. How come I was able to import the other guy, but not the other? It's really weird. I was able to import the stat models that API as SM. Yeah, this guy. But I wasn't able to.
That's stats model. I think that's what the SM means there.
Yeah, but I wasn't able to get the. I probably know why. It's import. It's import. There you go.
There you go.
Let me cross your fingers. It works now. Okay, so that because you need that one. You actually need that one.
Oh, okay.
That's like one of the biggest things. So okay, so now OLS YX dot fit model dot summary. Oh yeah, Y isn't if I forgot. It's YDL. DL. It's DL. Here you go. Here's the one. This is what you want, right? The table that looks kind of like this guy. You have the. Let's try to build this guy right here, the actual equation. So the equation itself is from the let me see. Or where is that? This guy right here. This one right here. So you have the explanatory data, right? The x's, and then you have your coefficient. So where's the constant though? It doesn't have the constant. Let me see. So you have the coefficient for airflow delay, but the XL. Let me see what I did here. You need the closed one, right? You need the close. 19 minus 402. It should be 3 of them, right?
Yeah, so that's
You have this guy, you have this guy. Well, where's the third guy?
yeah, let's see that.
Let's see. DF is 2. That's correct, yeah. Let's see. It's kind of close. Standard error is 3.2, 3.2. Magnitude is about the same, okay. I think it's just the intercept. The intercept is the one that, so it doesn't give you the intercept. The intercept is the one that we want. So you have 0.07, which is kind of like that, right? And this one, which is kind of like this. I would think it would give you everything. I don't know why it wouldn't give you the intercept. Let me see. So the intercept.
So the covariance type, when it says non-robust, what does that imply?
Covariance. Covariance is just a relationship between, like, I don't know. We'll look that up. It's a little weird, yeah. Let me see what that implies. Let me see. So, because you know what covariance is, right? It's like a relationship between like two things.
Two things, yeah.
Yeah, and if they have a relationship, then it would be like high covariance type. Okay. Okay, so. Yeah, for the most part, it won't really give you, like, it's just a type.
Oh, okay.
For the most part, it's usually non-robust. Let me just give you more of a, because when you do, it says robust standard errors, which are computed in a different way than normal standard errors. I think this indicates that normal standard errors are calculated. There are robust standard errors which are computed in a different way than normal standard errors. So if it's not robust, then that means that it's computed in a normal way. That's what it means.
Oh, okay.
And if it's robust, then it's different from the normal standard errors. If it's robust, okay.
If it's robust.
Yeah. So if it's not robust, then it's the normal way. Okay, so this is what you would need actually. This is all you need for this guy.
Oh, okay.
So you have this table, and then you're gonna do this for all of them. It gives you the correlation coefficient at least, which is this guy. 0.977. Yeah, that's a good correlation. There's actually a positive correlation. That's what it means, right?
Oh, okay.
Because it's near 1. Okay. So let's do this for all of them, and then let's do, because this is the multilinear, you know?
Yeah.
This is the basic concept is to get the actual the Pearson R, this R and adjusted R, and then to get these coefficients. So yeah, okay. And then the VIF. Actually, I forgot one more thing. We have to calculate the VIF. So let's calculate the VIF. So let's actually, you guys need to check the error, like the error measurement.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do that then.
Yeah, he said we do that too.
Because yeah, so this should, you could comment on this. The mean absolute error, mean squared, and then the root mean squared. So metrics at mean absolute error. YDL test. You can just show your group this, and then you can tell me, I guess, tomorrow if we need to do anything else.
Okay.
And then like we'll do the logistic tomorrow as well after we finish this one.
Okay.
So let's see, predict. All right, so predict. Try to actually tackle the logistic one. All you have to do is just go over lecture 11 and then try to see what you can do. It's kind of similar to the linear regression, but then it's different, different functions, right? And then like if you have any questions, you could show me tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
So because it's very similar, it's different, it's another regression. Metrics mean squared error. Another one is Y. This one is root mean squared error. NP square root matrix mean squared error. DL test. IDL. Predict red. Let me see. There's 3 on the sun. Okay. Valid. Where does it say that? Why is it doing that? Oh, I forgot. What was that one? Oh, line 13. What's wrong with that one? Metrics that mean. Oh, comma. XDL pred. Did we not have that one? Pred, okay. Y test, Y predict. Why the LPRED is not defined. I guess we didn't do that one. Okay. Then how did they check the prediction and the actual? Let's see. Y pred. Ah, I see. You have to do it up here. So Y equals regressor predict DL tests. There you go. I guess you could do you could graph the something. Let's see if you can actually do something here. I think you should do this somewhere else because you'll be able to output this guy. See if you can actually do print. Okay, you could do print. That's good. Okay. Let's calculate the VIF. DL equals PD dot data frame. VIF DL F variance inflation factor values XDL. Okay, let me see. The VIF seen is VIF factor, okay. Then variance, inflation factor, which we have. And then what's the x dot values? What the heck is this x dot values? Do you remember what this x dot values is?
That is different from what I had.
Let me see.
Let me see. I
X
have
dot values.
Revere feature delta column dot values.
VIF, yeah, what? Oh, there's a residual as well. So yeah, we could do the residual. Residual, the validation data set. And leverage, we could do leverage as well. Second point I might use in lexical extreme. Let me see. Other one is xdl equals sm dot add constant x dot dl. And is this x dot dl? Maybe that's the one. It's gonna assign to literal. What does that mean?
Which one?
Huh?
Which one is that?
This one is the one with the multilinear regression, calculating the VIF.
Oh, okay. So that's okay. There you go. Okay. I get it.
So like we're trying to get VFDL. Okay, VFDL, VIF factor. X dot columns. It's a weird one. XDL values. It should be XDL. Why is it? It should be right because you have XDL, which is like that, and that values gives you that, which is good. And if you did XDL shape, X dot columns, if you run this, I'm missing. So you have in range I, in range. Oh, I think I know what I did. There you go. So you have, I found it.
Okay.
Okay, so X via F, the other, okay, so that's the one, okay. Then, so VIF DL Now you assign the features or they pretty much the labels. XDL dot columns and VIF DL round 1. Let's see what happens. So there we go. You have the VIF, that's good. This is what you need, right? For each one of them?
Yeah.
That's all you need. So I think we're good to go with that one. I want to take out the index though. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. We'll just do this.
Okay.
You can do that later. Let's actually graph those graphs that you're talking about. So we're gonna have to, let's print this out. I don't actually want to round it. Let's not round it. Let's just do this. Here you go. And then you have print. Let's just, one of these. Okay, that's good. Now let's actually do the graphs. So pred out DL equals PD dot frame and Y S flatten predicted DL pred dot flatten. Let's see, pred dot out dot DL. Attribute flatten. What happened to the flatten? Series order has no flatten attribute. P.dl predicted. Actual Y DL test. Y DL test that flatten. Maybe it's just flattened without the parentheses. Maybe that's the one. I mean, it doesn't have an attribute to flatten. That's a weird one. No, flatten. Why do you even need to flatten it? That's okay. Okay, here you go. You don't need to flatten it. Let's just do that. Actual to predicted. What's this other number though? There's like another number on the side, which is weird. 2, 4, 48, 27. It doesn't matter. We'll just continue. And let's see. Oh, maybe that's the predicted number. So for each one of those, use training on score test data. Okay. Actual predicted is 48, 27. You can just clean it up later on. So that's what you have. One, two. Line width equals 0.5. LT grid which equals minor. Let's look at the minor. Let's see. There you go. Here's one of them.
Yeah.
The thing is, what I can't figure out is the numbers on the x-axis, why they're not like. You'll figure it out. You'll figure it out later on. Like at the bottom, they're like random.
Yeah.
And I don't know why they're like that. And then the next one would be to do the scatter plot. So the scatter plot would be to do PLT scatter, XDL test, YDL test, and color equals blue. And then PLT plot XDL test, Y pred, DL pred, color equals red. Width equals 2. Show. What happened? Oops. Let's look at the graph again. Scatter XDL test, YDL test. PLT plot XDL test, YDL pred, color red, line width equals 2. Why is it doing that? Test, 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 YDL pred. They should be the same size, right? Test, test, test. Y, Y, X, X. Test, test. So X and Y must be the same size.
Yeah, that's what would make sense.
But why is it not the same size? Why is it not the same size? That doesn't make sense.
No.
That one doesn't look right.
No, this ain't gonna be right at all.
This one, the other one looks right, but this one doesn't look right.
No.
Let me see. XDL test, YDL. Maybe you have to increase. Maybe you have to increase. Where's that value? The SM, YDL, that fit. That's fine. Regressor. That's weird. Let's see if we can graph another one. Because I know you guys had the residual. So let's see if we can graph the residual. Normalize residual. Model.get influence. Reset. Studentize. Okay, at least that one is good. And then so the model.norm. I'll do this for DL, so let's do it for the DL. Reset square root DL. SNS seaborn reg plot model. Fitted values, model norm. Set absolute square root DL is equals true. Line KWS equals color R LW LW1. All right. And then PLT. Okay, so these are just the labels. Feed the fitted values. EL Y label. Square app standardize visuals. The title. Okay, that one looks right.
That one looks right.
So that's for the delta. Let's compare it to what we have here. Yeah, it looks kind of similar, right? So that's good. So we actually only need these guys, right? We don't need the other ones. Yeah, these residuals.
Okay.
So let me see. How come you have different? How come there's two different ones though? One's for arc flights. The one's for. Let me see. How can you do the other one? So, because this one's only doing. Fitted values. Yeah, well, at least you got one. This one right here, it looks like this guy. Try to see if you can get this other guy.
For the arrival delay.
Yeah, you have to just mess with this somehow.
Okay.
What I'm thinking, because like one of these will have to match with the ARR flights. So let's see. So the next one is the leverage, residual versus leverage. Do you need that one, the leverage data?
Let's see if that is said here. Okay, create.
I think it's just these ones that you need actually.
Yeah, because I don't see that said here. It's just like rename fields in final data set to be used for analysis.
Yeah.
Merge carrier, adjust close, stock price, stock volume, primary key weather, and then arrival delay.
Okay, so we have that one. Y detail, YD pred. Let me see. YD test, YDL pred.
So I don't see that needed here.
What is it? Let me see. So one of them, actual, the other one is pred. But the Y, I'm trying to figure out like if we can get both of them. Okay, actual 1, 2. Okay, I think this is good. Just try to see, because you have these graphs. These are the two main ones.
Mm-hmm.
The residual and then the comparison.
The comparison.
Predicted to actual.
To actual, yeah.
Okay. So okay, the last thing here is just to multiply this and see if we can get this guy. So you'll be done with the linear regression at least.
Okay.
And then try to do this, like, you know, for homework, whatever.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna multiply this now, so that you're not gonna make a mistake on this one. So American Airlines, Delta Airlines. Okay, so for this one, for the other guy, does this have the logistic one?
No.
It doesn't have it. Okay.
Yeah, we couldn't do it. We were defeated.
It doesn't. If you follow what what your professor did, I don't think it's that bad. Just follow what he did, and then like just use the same consolidate. Like each one of these are already separated, and just do it for each one of the airlines. You know what I mean? So for each one of the airlines, just the same thing as what I'm doing here. Like for each of the airlines. Oh no! Can you click? Make sure you're.
Okay.
I'm gonna save this first. If I do get logged off, yeah, try to plug in your stuff. Let's see.
It keeps coming out. It keeps coming out. Where's the USB one? One of these two. Oh, flip it. It's not going. The other way. That's better.
You plugged it in?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. I'm just trying to edit this.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, just like try to ask your group if this is good, because you pretty much did what you have to do in Python, not in Excel. That's what you guys have to produce, a notebook, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then so after this, just try to do the logistic one. And then I'll probably do that exercise that your professor gave you guys on lecture 11.
Okay.
And then just try to find a way that you can correlate what you guys are doing there to what you have here. Because it should, yeah. I mean, this is what I pretty much did. I took what your professor did,
Okay.
and then like just use it on a different data set. So let's see, this guy, this guy, and I guess the one thing I would probably do is let me see. Is this one due this week, or when is this due for you guys?
It's due this week, so tomorrow I think because of this, is it okay for us to meet at 9 my time instead of 8?
The thing is, I just found out like I have something to do tomorrow, but can we meet on the following day or sometime later this week?
Let's do Friday because he also needs my assignment on the 2 assignments, the 5 and 6.
Okay, let's do Friday. Let me see what time. And then because I also have something like that I have to do tomorrow. I just found out. So I did cancel something, but I might have to cancel that. Okay, but what I would do is before we meet is just do the this part, and then I'll try to take a look at what you have.
Okay, yeah, because they're saying here, can we meet tomorrow at 8? And normally we meet like maybe 45 minutes, that kind of thing. That's what I was talking about 9.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah, my group, yeah, like 30 minutes, sometimes 45, sometimes 20.
Yeah.
It depends if we are having that something much discussed. But we never do like an hour, whole hour. Just little meetings like that.
Let me see this one. So that one worked. I think I'm gonna move where this guy is. I don't think we need to do. Yeah, you don't actually need to. Okay, that's good. You don't actually need the first part. You don't need the first part. This guy can disappear. You just have to do. Let me see. Yeah, you just have to do that. And this one's the next one. There you go. 2 different things. And what's the next one? What's the next one after this one? The American Airlines.
Yeah.
United. Okay. I think this is like you guys have something here. I mean, because what you have to do is just produce the graphs and then make some conclusions, right?
Yeah, we need to do some conclusions, which we haven't done.
Okay.
And they were according to what they were saying while you and I are in class here, which is what I just texted you what the conversation, what they were saying. They were also thinking
that,
except one person said was thinking differently. He was suggesting the guy that let me see here what he says. Justin is saying I think we can start removing the time delay matrix models and keep the number of delay metrics for all 4 airlines and then leave the other 2 airline slides in the appendix if we don't have enough time to cover them. But then my other colleague is saying it's fine for as long as we have it somewhere in case someone asks us, can just talk about it.
That's good, yeah. You don't want to delete anything. Put in the appendix.
Yeah, so that's the conversation.
Okay.
Yeah, just let them know I was busy doing the homework.
UA. See how this one actually looks. So this one. There you go. I think going back to what you guys had to do here,
Mm-hmm.
the multilinear, you did the VIF, you did the equation,
Mm-hmm.
you did the output, the predicted, and one model for CT delay. And this thing right here, I don't know what they want for these ones, because I just pretty much followed what you guys did. You can pretty much, oh no, we have the delay, so that's good. Is the count the field, this guy?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, I don't know. You can pretty much change it if you want. Like, you know what I mean? Like these guys, you can change it.
Those can be changed? Let me
Yeah,
see.
from here, you can change it from here. You see this guy?
Mm-hmm.
You can just change what you're trying to correlate from their X values.
So we can tweak these X values, just do whatever, like if we don't want arrival delay, we can just plug in whatever it is that we decide.
Exactly. And then,
So,
whatever your Y value, whatever you're trying to correlate it to, the Y
Mhm.
axis, you could also change that. Because it's really up to you. I mean, what do you want to create? What do you want to create? Like, what type of data? And then, like, from that, does it make sense? Like, what you're trying to compare. So, but the same, the code is pretty much the same. You're just changing the flight in your case here.
Okay. So I can just do that for Southwest.
Yeah, I'll do that one. Just do so you can just start off with the other guy.
With the other guy. Okay, cool.
Yeah, because the logistics one, if you take your time, you can figure it out. Like I said, just do what your professor did, and then figure out what you can edit, and then from that you can use where you can use it in your data right now.
Okay.
Because this one's pretty much done. Just show your team and see what they think if you have to tweak anything. Then we can, let me see. There you go. It looks like this guy.
Okay.
Another thing is too, like if you want to change you can experiment with the test size.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to make this like maybe 0.4,
Mm-hmm.
so you can increase that number here.
Oh, okay.
Like if you make this 0.6,
Then that's how it looks like. Okay.
Yeah, I was like all of them are 0.3, so I just made them 0.3. Yeah, last one.
Okay.
So was it SN? Was that SN? SW?
WN.
Oh, WN.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this right here, this sequence of like Python codes for this guy. I think it's really helpful if you like this multilinear one.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one that people usually when you're trying to analyze something, this is the one that people go to. Multilinear regression. The logistic one is not as used as much.
Oh, okay. So
It's
the multilinear is
the
most popular one.
Most popular one, yeah. In terms of like the data, that is natural. So if you know how to do this sequence of like commands,
Mm-hmm.
I think you're good to go. The logistic one it's pretty, like I said, it's like if you know one, you know all of them. You just gotta know like where they differ, because they pretty much tell you the same thing, right? There's a prediction. It's just not linear. It's logistical. Okay. But the theory of this, it makes sense, right? You're just trying to create the line. You're trying to get the prediction, and then from the prediction, you're trying to get the table, right?
Mm-hmm.
The table tells you pretty much everything that you need. Like if something, the correlation coefficient,
Mm-hmm.
and then the line equation. And then when you compare them and you get the variation, the VIF, Let me see. And then obviously the residuals. Let's look back what the residual table gives you. That's just part of the theory. WN. Oh, there was an AA. Should have been UA. Okay, I think that's okay. This on WN and WN. WN. Let's see. Okay, let's compare that to this guy. Yeah, it looks about right. That's good. Okay, I mean they pretty much match, so. See that R 0.974. Let me see, 0.9. 0.973. .973. Okay, yeah, they pretty much just match. Yeah, that's good. Cool. I think that's it then. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Just so yeah, let me know how the logistic regression, and then show your team the multilinear.
Okay.
And then I guess let me know in an email if you need me to look at this, and then I'll see if I can meet on Friday.
Okay, cool. And then can you show me like with one PowerPoint slide how to do PowerPoint in Jupyter?
The what one?
PowerPoint. Can you do me one slide to see how it is done in Jupyter?
Oh, you mean like making this look like a PowerPoint?
Yeah, like
or
this
like,
one slide, and then I can just do.
What do you mean? What do you mean into a PowerPoint? You mean like a PDF or a PowerPoint?
A PowerPoint.
Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
You mean just to show this?
Yeah, just to show that.
Let me see. Because I know there was a way PowerPoint. It's like the code for it, Python. Okay. Slide layout. It's actually if you have to do a pip install for this guy.
Okay. Pip install.
Yeah, but it might take I think it'll be good if I spend like one session of it.
Okay, got you. Then I'll just.
Because it's not like click and go. You have to actually do some coding.
Oh, it's involved. Okay, then
It's well involved. It's well involved.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Then We'll figure that out later, another day.
Do you guys have to do the PowerPoint on your notebook?
Yeah, he said we will need PowerPoint.
Yeah, but then the thing is, what he's probably saying is you have to convert this into a PDF, and then from the PDF you can just use it, like right here.
Okay,
Yeah,
so the
into a PDF.
PDF. Okay.
Yeah. Or you could.
So
There's another thing
download.
you probably can use here. If you did PDF, which is the best thing that I would do, is and then use the PDF as slides. You know, like just go through the PDF and then present it that way.
So go to download as and then PDF.
Yeah, the best way I wouldn't trust this one because this one is actually pretty rigged. There's a website that I usually go to. I'll copy it here. Let me see if I can show you. Because it's pretty much like you find the link, and then from that link, then you can convert it a notebook into a PDF. I'm typing it here.
Oh, okay, got you.
Viewer. So this is that link, notebooks into converter, and then you can convert whatever you have the notebook file into a PDF.
Okay.
So let me just show you how you would do that first.
All right.
So from here, you know you save this, right? Find where you saved it, which is this guy, and then look for this file, right? You know where it is, right? And then just look for it here. I'm gonna tag this so that you know where it is.
Okay.
So it's in your favorites now.
And
then you know how to access your favorites, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, so you just have to choose files, and then all you have to do is look for the file. So it's right here, right? And then here, I would probably go down to HTML plus PDF, and click on this guy. And click on this, and then and then you save it. You save it as a PDF.
Okay.
Save as a PDF. And then you can just present this. This is what I usually do. I just print it as a PDF and I present what I have in the notebook.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put it where you had it here, which is whatever, airline project. Right? And that's it. That's how you do it.
Oh, okay, cool. Thanks.
Cool. Have a good night, and then I'll let you know about Friday.
Okay, cool.
Right.
Thank